Lip shade, I use like 2 lipsticks. Just post what products do you use. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, you shall be thankful to me. Aim chestunna live lo. Sanchi, hi. Okay, we'll go live with. Okay, I'm going to add a person. Let's see. Hey, okay. Somebody declined. Okay, guys, I'm adding. How do I? Oh God, how do I? Okay, I'm closing my eyes and adding one. Okay. Hey, who is this? Who's this guy? He's like, hi. Don't be inappropriate. Don't be inappropriate. I'm scared. Nitya. Whom should I add? Okay. This is someone. Okay. I'm praying for people to join my life. Guys, if you want to join this live, నాకు request పంపండి. I'll add you. It's not accepting. आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं. Okay. Hi, Vatsal. అమ్మో నిత్య someone is like మీరు అన్నం తింటారా. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Santosh.
Hi, Santosh. Why couldn't I see your face?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So how's your quarantine going?
It's bored.
Boring.
Yeah.
Why is it boring?
Nothing.
ఏం
Simply.
చేయట్లేదా? Like,
Same thing.
what do you do?
I completed my graduation.
Oh, nice. Okay, you recently completed or like in the middle of your last year?
Recently, చేశాను.
Acha. Okay. Nice. So you have any questions for me?
What is your beauty secret?
Huh?
Beauty secret.
My beauty. Oh, come on. And I mean, I don't do anything. It's in my. I mean, I get this from my mother. And that's quite an awkward question. How do I answer that? Anyway, yeah, thank you so much.
I'm a big fan of you.
Thank you. That's really sweet.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna add other persons.
Okay.
Bye, Santosh. Nice
Bye.
talking to you. Okay, who's next? I have like 10% now. Phone charging వచ్చేసి 10%. I don't know if I'll be able to do it for a long time. Okay. Arey, why would you decline? Okay. No, somebody's not. Nitya, no comments. Aditya, read it out loud. I want to. I want to listen to. Don't like. Okay, I'm just going to take my. I guess this lipstick is from NYX. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Neha.
Neha. Hi, Neha.
Yeah.
What's up?
Nothing much. What about you? What are you doing?
What are you doing? I'm just with my friend and we are chilling. Like I met her after a really long time, so we are just chilling. What about you? What do you do?
How's quarantine?
Quarantine has been really great. I've been enjoying and I've been cultivating new habits and it's amazing. What about you?
I'm watching like 3-4 movies every day. It's good actually
Oh,
because no college.
exactly. Even I was, starting low, starting like 2-3 weeks, I was binge watching movies, but afterwards I was like lighting kanala because I'm screwing up my eyes. So my mother was like,
I know,
"Hey,
right?
I so I quit that. But then
My
yeah, I'm
sleeping
watching a
schedule is fucked up.
exactly everyone. This quarantine has been so tough. Like I mean, the paradigm is completely new and yeah, it's okay. We'll get back to a normal paradigm. But yeah. So, what do you do?
BTech first year.
Oh, BTech first year. Okay, nice. Inka, do you have any questions for me?
You look very pretty, dude.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. Even you're pretty. I couldn't like your uh quality is like super blurry, but then yeah, I can see that you're really pretty.
Thanks.
Okay, I'll catch you up. Whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. An awkward person, Nitya. Nitya. I couldn't start a like yeah, it was all good, but then conversation continued. Like, but yeah, I'm new to this. Shravan, please join. Accept. I want to talk to you. Matlad, my stomach is making sounds. Literally, my stomach is making sounds.
అయ్యో హీరోయిన్ గారు వాట్సాప్
Hi.
ఓయ్
ఏం చేస్తున్నారు?
ఇంకేంటండి మేము ముద్ద తిరుగుతా ఉన్నాం.
అదే పని. నువ్వు డ్రైవ్ చేస్తున్నావు? డ్రైవ్ చేసి
నేను కాదు, ఇది శ్రవణ్ గారి ఫోన్ కదా.
యా ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? హాయ్ శ్రవణ్.
మీ ఏరియాలోనే ఉన్నామండి.
Shut up. Abhi, shut up. Okay, guys, if you don't know him, he's my co-star from Commitment. Say hi.
ఓయ్
So, Inka,
ఇంకేంటట్లే
okay,
ఫేస్ అంతా
in area again because you're about to but then shut up.
శ్రవణ్ గాడు, ఇదిగో శ్రవణ్ గాడు చూడు.
So cute. ఏంటి అది మాస్కా అంటారు
మాస్క్ లేదని చెప్పి శ్రవణ్ గాడు ఏది పడితే అడ్జస్ట్ అవుతున్నాడు.
మీ ఇంటి సైడ్ అంతా కరోనా అంట కదా? మీ ఇంటి సైడ్ అంతా కరోనా వచ్చిందంట కదా?
ఇది అక్కకు కూడా మాస్కే పెట్టుకోలేదు. దిస్ ఇస్ ఇట్ జోక్. పీపుల్ ఆర్ డైయింగ్ అవుట్ దేర్. కార్లో
Yeah,
ఉంటే పర్లేదు
exactly. Why
భయ్యా.
you guys are not wearing a mask?
కార్లో వేసుకోకూడదు తెలుసా మాస్క్.
చెప్పు వాళ్ళకి మరి.
మేము మా అమ్మ డాక్టర్ కదా చెప్పింది.
Yeah.
కార్లో వేసుకోకూడదు, జస్ట్ బయట వేసుకోవాలి. సో ఎక్కువసేపు కూడా మాస్క్ పెట్టుకొని యూ షుడెంట్ బ్రీత్.
Okay guys, if you don't know, Abhi wala mother is a doctor and yeah, whatever he's talking, it's actually true. Somebody is like, someone is roasting us, Abhi. ఎవరో రోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు మనల్ని.
యా అదే చూస్తున్నా, అదే నవ్వుకుంటున్నా చూసి.
Give a shit.
చైల్డ్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ అంత ఓవర్ చేస్తున్నాడు అంట. లేదు భయ్యా, నేను చైల్డ్ కాదులే.
Okay, Abhi, I'll call you back.
ఓకే చలో, సీ యూ రైట్.
Bye, Shravan.
బాయ్.
Hi, Tahir. Do you want to join? Wait, I'll request. How do I? Request. How do I? Okay, got it. You want to join my live?
Hello.
Finally.
I just randomly was browsing and I'm like, okay, Ramya ji is online. Let's go say hi. Can you see yourself behind? There you are.
Yes, yeah.
This is a really
Okay.
trippy place to go live.
What's
Hello.
up?
What's up with you?
Finally.
Daddy boy.
Oh my god, this is like first time you're talking to each other, no? Like face to face, aamne saamne.
We are both fans of your father.
Yeah, true. I mean, yeah. I don't know. Thank you.
How's Pops?
My dad is doing great. He went to his village today.
Oh, is it close to, how far is it from Hyderabad?
From Hyderabad, it's almost like a 4 hours drive.
Wow. But is it
So
allowed?
that's
Can
why I
you?
came to meet my friend. Otherwise, he wouldn't let me out of my house.
But now he'll watch this and he'll know you've come out.
Yeah, he would, but it's done, like it's past, so he wouldn't tell anything. He'll be like, "Oh, you went out." But if I ask him in advance, he'll be like, "Don't go." So that's how it works between me and my father.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
How lovely you're looking. What if your hair's naturally like this or what? Even my
Thank
hair.
you. Yeah, it's naturally like that. I didn't even brush my hair today.
It's so nice your hair is.
Thank you.
Yeah, as far as I remember,
got
your
it from
dad.
my mama.
Yeah, your mama for sure. Because your papa doesn't have hair like this for sure.
No, he doesn't. You know, he's growing like this white beard and white hair, like look.
Why?
He want to be that South Indian villain. He wants that.
Ajit sir also. Ajit sir has white hair, no?
Exactly. That's why whenever Ajit sir comes on TV, he'll be like, "Oh, this is my look. This is my look. This is my look."
Oh my God, he's so cute, man. Is he still working with Ravi sir or what?
No. He's not working with Ravi sir. But then, yeah, he's a freelancer, and right now he's working with Jitan sir. So he's also from Bombay, and yeah.
Jitan sir?
Yeah, Jitan Harmeet Singh.
I'm not working.
You didn't. I don't know if you work with him, but I don't know.
In fact, when you're coming down next, na, we should come.
Yeah.
We should meet. I'll take you around. You've never been to Bombay, na?
No. I have never been to Bombay.
He doesn't allow you to come to Bombay.
No, that's the thing. He doesn't allow me to go anywhere except Hyderabad.
Why?
I have
Why
no
this
clue.
collaboration?
He's like very protective father. I don't know.
Wow, man. I think we should take him out. The next time you come, I want to take both of you out on a bike ride.
Yeah,
First
he
thing,
was like, what? He'll be like, "Main kya ghumu Bombay? You go and come. I won't go out." He's same like
he's
in
but
Hyderabad too.
he's seen a lot of Bombay. Na? We were shooting Agnipath all over Bombay.
Exactly. You
You were,
did Agnipath and what other movies? With my dad.
we did a lot of ads together.
Oh yeah, he was telling about
We used to add films together, and no,
exactly.
Agnipath was the only time we hung out during Agnipath. Agnipath, we became like very tight. We were these two bachchas, and your dad was used to be like, "Beta sab theek ho jayega." And Ravi sir, you know how Ravi sir is.
Yeah.
So Ravi sir, my Randi to everybody, some shit you'd say. So your dad would come and tell everybody to chill out, and say, "Sir, calm down, sir, calm down." I
Now
love that.
he has my dad has like become really old. Like he looks really old right now.
Right. And your dad is a handsome guy. He's a bloke. He's a stud
Thank
muffin.
you.
I think white hair might also suit him.
Yeah,
And
it does. It does. It suits him a lot.
all your fans over there speak in a language I don't understand. I think some of them are telling us to have a private chat. What is the meaning
Yeah,
of
it's very
memu deng estu meru something kondi inka? What does that mean?
I guess they're giving a gali. I guess
Why are you Teja? Don't abuse us, man. Be cool, bro.
they're
Teja,
abusing.
Teja, Teja, don't abuse Teja. Be a kind person, Teja.
Yeah, he's like, you guys go talk. We are leaving. Bol ke they're texting.
Don't be like that, Teja. You hang out with us. You ask us some questions, yeah.
Yeah, you should ask us some questions.
You can ask us. Don't worry. See, Avinash Somi is so sweet. Hi, Jayant. How are you doing, buddy? Jayant is laughing. I like this. He's laughing. Being made fun of is better than being abused, eh? Sis and The. What's the meaning of The? Hi, Priyanka. Mr. Priyanka Parihar. How are you doing?
1 second, I can't read which comment is that. Okay. Somebody is asking you to remove your goggles.
Remove your goggles.
Why would you?
There.
No, don't remove them. Why would? Okay, yeah.
Why? If somebody has asked for it, you must see my eyes. Hello. How are you doing? Whoever asked for it. Ha, old uncle M Unadu. You call me? Is he calling me an old uncle? How sweet. How sweet, dude. No, but that's true. Now that I'm 30 years old, you can call me old uncle. I was old when I was 17 also, yeah. Since I was 17
People
years
call
old.
me now. I don't know. People call me aunt. I don't. They call me auntie for no reason. It's not like
Really?
it's a bad thing or something.
No,
But
you
I
can
don't
call
know.
me. You can call me grandpapa, grandmama. You can call me whatever you want, my friend. You
People
are
actually
public.
think
You are public. You can call Ramya and me whatever you like.
people actually think calling someone uncle or auntie will offend them. I don't know how does it offend someone because
Yeah.
that's just a phase. I don't know. People use it to abuse someone. Is like
Rutvik Reddy Singh, goggles nikal be. Oh, only for you, Rutvik. इतनी मस्त तू इतना प्यार से गाली देता है बेटा. तेरे लिए निकालेगा मैं चल. Rutvik Reddy. Hey Parth, what's up, Parth? Ramya is your favorite. Then you're my favorite.
who is Parth?
Somebody, I don't know. That keratin treatment on a bro, that's all natural.
Actually, yeah, this is my natural hair. But if I did keratin, but it would be super smooth. I just did some like smoothing stuff for my like promotion, but I didn't do keratin completely. Somebody
You're
is saying
such a
whether I have seen your movie on Netflix. Oh my god, yay!
Hey, thank you guys. Go please watch my movie. It's called Guilty on Netflix. Okay, and tell me what you think.
Yeah, and also the Hotstar one.
And the Hotstar is a show called 100, but that's only in Hindi. They didn't have time to dub it in Telugu. So if you can, if you like Hindi,
It's interesting.
It's interesting. So if you guys like Hindi shows, please watch 100 on Hotstar. But watch Guilty on Netflix, okay?
Yeah.
Next time. And one day Ramya and I'll also do a movie together. Watch that movie also. Hi Akhil, how are you doing, brother? Akhil Suraj is saying hi. Good. Some people are being nice.
Exactly. Okay,
Jayant
Ramya,
will-
you chopped your hair. No, I didn't.
Huh?
Tahir bhai!
Kaun aaya?
I don't
Where
know,
are you
someone-
from, girl? Because her Hindi is imbalanced. Oh, yeah. Where are you from, Ramya? Your Hindi is imbalanced.
I'm a South Indian.
Yeah, I know.
And a
I know
Telugu.
you're South Indian. Yeah. She's you are
Yeah,
my
yeah.
favorite. Parth, you're talking about me or you're talking about her? I'm getting very confused. We both love
Okay.
you, Parth. Parth, we both love you. I love this. So sweet. No? This is like, brother, I've seen him. He, Ramya Bombshell. You're my favorite. You're my favorite, Ramya Bombshell. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You keep watching our movies, okay?
That's a fan account, I guess.
Hey, Shavi, I love this. So sweet. Thank
People are
Maninder
so
Leo.
sweet.
Huh?
People are so sweet.
Yeah, and also see Sanjana is asking who's your dad. Sanjana, her father is one of the best. They used to put focus. Used to be camera AC phenomenal, and he works with the best DOPs in the countries. One of my favorite DOPs ever is Mr. Ravi K. Chandran, and her father works with them. Sorry, I'm answering the question because I'm a fan.
Yeah, it's completely fine. I mean, I never told anyone about my father this much. Like, he'll be very happy if he sees. If I tell him that I spoke to you today, and if he listens to this, he'll be very happy.
Show this, send him a link to this. Vinay Kumar is saying, भाई क्या क्या ले रहे हैं? विनय क्या करूँ यार? अभी अपन क्या एक्टर टाइप के लोग हैं, ऐसे ही करना पड़ता है. पब्लिक का ओपिनियन है भाई, जो बोलता है सुनना पड़ता है.
Where are you in 100? I didn't see you.
Sai, this girl is beautiful. There's no way she can ever lie, bro. She's phenomenal. Look at her heart, so pure, bro. It can't be keratin. Her hair's lovely.
Thank you. Now I'm blushing.
Thank you, Mahesh. Look at her, see? She's lovely. I love you. Should see all her work on Instagram. I'm always like, wow, mashallah. Hi, Kamal. How are you doing?
What? Okay, Ramya.
Yeah. Ramya
Okay,
doesn't
I
know
can-
old at all.
We can do this. I can teach you some Telugu.
Come on. Kalasina padu mi patti chestistanu.
కలిసినప్పుడు what?
Kalasina padu మీ పట్టి చేస్తాను. ఉదయ్ పవార్, I love you. ఉదయ్ పవార్ is a big director. మీ పట్టి
కలిసినప్పుడు మీ పట్టి చేస్తా. What does that mean? Okay, I'll teach you.
చేస్తాను. When I will meet you again, I will give you back your pile. When I meet you again, I will give you back your pile.
Payal.
Pile, yeah. Like, you know, pile, ghungru, pile.
కలిసినప్పుడు
Things that you think put around your thing.
నీకు పట్టి ఇస్తా.
Love you, Uday. Uday is a very, very big director. He's online.
Oh.
Uday bhai, that's Ramya. She's a phenomenal actor.
Hi.
She wants to do Hindi. She wants to do Hindi films. हम दोनों को चांस दे देना, कुछ कर देना लाइफ में.
Please, yeah.
भाई बालों की बैंड बजी हुई लग पड़ी है. The thing is, I cut my brother's hair. My brother's not cutting my hair, so I said I'll just let them grow. Ramya, you think my hair will grow as long as yours?
Not longer than mine, but it's pretty long for a guy's hair. It's actually good. It's really good.
Yeah, I mean, what to do with? There's no place to cut. Once again, somebody's getting annoyed. Once again, Sadhvi Reddy, don't get annoyed, Sadhvi. We love you, Sadhvi. Don't do like this. Please be happy. You stay along. What do you want us to do? Ramya will sing you a song.
Yeah.
Hey, Vatsal, how are you doing, brother? We love you. Thank you.
Somebody
just
is
tell us.
saying urgent గా బాబుని సలూన్ కి పంపండి అంట.
What does that mean?
They are like someone.
I need to cut my hair.
To go to the saloon.
I need to go, no? I
Yeah.
need to go to the yeah. I need to go to the saloon. I need to cut my hair, bro. You're so right.
Somebody
Did you-
asking you to wear the shades again. Tahir, where are your shades? Woo! Do you know any Telugu songs?
Yaar, I know Kolaveri only.
That's not Telugu. That's Tamil.
Super Mama, ready? Say, oh, so I'm sorry, but there wasn't
That's
there a
Tamil.
Telugu version? No. There were two versions. Dhanush said that he did two versions of that. There was a Tamil and a Telugu version.
I mean Telugu. I don't know about Telugu, but Tamil everybody knows. Do you know any other songs like Allu Arjun songs? Like this Butta Bomma has been like really famous. Know that
No,
song?
but Shruti, you know, Shruti used to keep playing this one song. I can't remember. You know Shruti Hassan.
Yeah.
She had done one film and she had won that thing and she was dancing. It's mad lovely song. I can't remember the name. There's no way, man.
Allu Arjun's. Yeah, I know.
Allu, Shruti did a film with Allu, na?
Yeah, Nitya, in song as Nitya? Shruti Hassan. Ade. Yeah,
Listen,
Race.
Ramya, everyone's asking you to sing a song here.
What song should I sing?
Are Sadhvi Reddy, don't be like this. Why are you after Ramya? She's so sweet, yeah. Please, yeah. Overreact. She's such a sweet person. Don't be like this. Sadhvi, don't be like this. Give love, send love. Love time is here.
Which song should
So
I
you
sing?
people want you to sing.
Chubista Mama, Niku Cinema Chubista Mama. That's the song.
Thanks, Shavi.
Vatsal, what song do you want me to sing?
I want you to sing a Hindi song.
Okay. So basically, North Indians pronounce my name as Ramya. It's not Ramya. It's Ramya.
Huh?
It's not Ramya. It's Ramya.
Ramya.
Yeah, Ramya.
Hi, Ramya. How are you doing? Long
Yeah,
time no see.
That's nice because every time I speak to a North Indian, they'll be like, Ramya. They think Ramya is Ramya.
Ramya Vastavaya. Ramya Vastavaya.
Ramya. Yeah, that is different. I guess my
Ramya
phone is going.
Vastavaya. Mere dil tuya. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello.
My phone is going to
Hello?
die.
We'll go. We'll
Yeah,
2 minutes.
hi.
We'll do. Did you hear Ramya? Did you hear Ramya Vastavaya?
Yeah, I did hear.
मैंने दिल तुझको
People
दिया
are
मैंने
repeating my
दिल
name.
तुझको दिया
Ramya. This was so random.
Yeah.
Okay, say
Ramya.
something
Hey,
that you want in high intensity dialogue. It seems they want you to say some dialogue. High intensity.
I know I did a Telugu film once. It didn't work out, didn't get over. My first dialogue is what I told you. I by hearted it. It was Kalasinapudu mee patti chestistanu. That's it.
కలిసినప్పుడు మీ పట్టి తెచ్చిస్తాను.
Chestistanu. I will give you back your payal when I meet you again.
ఓకే.
Thanks, Rosh.
ఈసారి కలిసినప్పుడు మీ పట్టి మీకు ఇస్తాను.
Chestistanu.
I don't know. చేసిస్తాను. I don't know.
No?
No, I don't
Chestistanu.
think.
Okay.
No.
That was a line, man.
No.
Cinema chupista mama.
Yeah, that's the song I was singing. The Shruti Hassan one.
So Shruti's
Your voice is. Your voice is breaking. Hello. Hello.
sorry,
Hello?
can you hear me now?
Yeah,
I can hear you now. Hello.
Yeah.
So Shruti's mom and her and Akshara is very, very close to me. And Shruti also at one point we used to know each other like because of the family. And
Yeah,
at that time
my dad
there was
told
this, that one song was so good, yeah. And at that time only I think just a little before that this whole Kolaveri thing was happening. So that Kolaveri was also in my head, it's and it's so
Yeah.
funny, the way Dhanush does it. That whole distance to the moon color white.
It is famous because it's very different. Like the
Yeah.
you know the
Papa,
slang,
papa,
very
papa,
different.
papa, 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 papa.
Piryavati,
Umaidi, very cool, very deep. Damn.
I was about to ask you something, then I forgot. I don't know what. What did I wanted to ask? I
What do
forgot.
you want to know? Whenever in doubt, we take questions from the audience.
Yeah,
They are
you
just
must be
saying no,
thinking of a
हाँ,
noise.
say something like warning, high intense dialogue.
Yeah.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं, नाम है शहनशाह, ऐसा.
रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं, नाम है शहन.
रिश्ते.
I have list. I can't pronounce S. So
Why? Yeah, because it happens sometimes.
yeah, and I
Yeah,
have it too.
but say रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं. I'm
नाम
very
है.
good with Hindi, but then if you ask me like suddenly, or if you ask me to pronounce S sound, it's difficult.
Yeah, I think when you come to Bombay, I'll introduce you to my diction teacher. He's the
Done.
best. He'll
Done.
sort you out. Yeah,
Done.
he's the best. मुझे भी हिंदी बोलनी नहीं आती थी पहले यार, तो हिंदी मैंने भी सीखी हुई है बॉम्बे, मतलब शुद्ध हिंदी. If you want to do Hindi films, then there's a particular Hindi that you learn, no?
Acha, is it like
So these
Bombay?
people are so sweet, and why is everyone
Even
after
in
her?
Telugu?
She's so sweet looking. Why is everybody after your weight? Have you put on weight, Ramya?
Oh yeah, I did. I did like 1 or 2 kgs. So I don't know why. I mean,
Yeah, because this is her
it's
time
fine.
to eat. She's
I'm
not
happy with
shooting.
my weight. I'm
Yeah,
happy
she
with
should be
my
happy.
weight.
I'm happy with my weight too. We're very happy.
Yay!
Yeah, you should love us for how we are. When she gets a movie where उसको वजन कम करना है, तो lady वजन कम करेगी. I give you my word.
Exactly. Yeah.
Cut out something
Waiting
something
to
do.
eat those malpua from Shabas.
Hi. I can't. I just am getting some malpuas packed for some close friends.
What is
For that,
malpua?
just malpua is a sweet dish
Okay.
which you eat in Ramadan.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. But don't worry. When you come, I'll specially make for you, even if it's not Ramadan.
Okay. Thank you.
My appa has a sweet shop.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah.
My dad told me everything.
Yeah, your dad I used to get now on set. I used to get him so much food.
Exactly. Like he told me some super. I can't tell it in public, but yeah.
He's so sweet. Yeah, I can't wait to see him. Dude, I want to see some guys. No one else is. All the Telugu. Andaru live nuche. What does that mean? Andaru
Okay,
live nuche.
people are exiting the live, I guess. That's what they meant.
People are what?
People are going away from the live.
Okay, now people are going away. Okay, bye then. Whoever's
voice
leaving,
is-
we love you. I'm saying whoever's
Bye.
leaving, we love you. We'll see you all someday. Even we are leaving in 2 minutes. After Ramya sings a song, after Ramya sings the last song for us, then we'll also go. We love you, and keep loving Ramya. She's amazing. Keep watching all her work, and
And
yeah,
people
maybe also
already
go for-
love you.
Hey, thank you. I love you. I love you all. Come on, Ramya, you got to sing a song for us before we go.
Okay, which song?
Sing a Hindi song. Now you did a Tamil. You did a Telugu song. You did Telugu, now do Hindi.
What? What
Do
did
a
I
Hindi song. Do a Hindi
Okay.
song.
You tell me which song I'll sing.
You want to do new song, old song?
Which song? You tell me. I can't
Do-
figure it out.
Do Baby Doll Mein Sone Ki.